Good afternoon, YouTube and Bring a Trailer, or actually this is going to be just on a YouTube video. So this is a dual purpose video. So my good friend Sergio from California is getting ready to have this 1,100 mile town car delivered to him today. We've got another car coming off the truck. It's not off. Oh, wow. Wow. Looks like a Corvette just rolled. Oh my God. Oops, well, we got that on film. Ouch, hoping nothing happened. It looks like I just caught the car just rolling off the truck, and doesn't look like it hit anything, but looks like it caught it. Wow, that was tricky, that was bad. You see that? That 58 or 9 Vette rolled off the truck and fell in. Anyway, all right, Sergio, let's hope they do a better job with your Lincoln, man. I'll make sure it gets loaded good, but anyway. So here we go, I'm off, it's got me off track now. So, this car is going to Sergio today, and I want to do just a quick video, kind of show you the array of different cars we have. Z car is my personal car. I've got to get it ready. I'm going to keep it for a while. 78 New Yorker, 25,000 miles, I think. This is cool. This is a LeBaron coupe with T-tops, and I think it's got, I think I remember what the miles are on it now. Just a neat car. I'm going to get this one ready here in the next few days or so. The miles, I think in the 30s maybe? Yeah, 36,000 miles. Awesome color combination. Got a few paint touches I got to do to it. And then another really cool car. This is a one owner, 86 I believe it is, 85, 86. Honda CRX Strawman edition, which these cars were taken to Strawman, the coach builder in California, and converted into convertibles, which is really cool. Very original car. 5-speed air-conditioned original radio with 26,000 miles. And this car, I'm probably gonna get this car ready in the next couple days and get it submitted to Bring a Trailer. Just really cool, really neat. And from what I understand, there's a site that keeps tracks of these cars and about how many is actually left in the States. Now I was told by the previous owner, unless I misunderstood or whatever, but he said there's less than 20 of these known still in the United States. So I'm gonna paint correct it. It really doesn't need much. It's a pretty slick car. So this is some oddball stuff that we got. I say oddball, different cars. You don't see those, you don't see many LeBarons, and New Yorkers are definitely very hard cars to find. And then one more car we'll just mention here. I've had this car for 2 or 3 years. There's the Harley in the back that sold. That's my 512 TR. Probably won't be for sale anytime soon, but just an awesome car. It just turned 10,000 miles. So there it is. There's Sergio's trade-in. That's gonna be going on Bring a Trailer. And there's the old Vista Cruiser, which I'm not sure how much longer I wanna have it. I gotta get it ready to roll and try to get on Bring a Trailer. There's Candy, say hi. There's the old lady. Sorry, figure of speech, guys. So there's the Turbo Z. If any of you guys, you know the story when we started dating. There's the Turbo Z that I bought back in late 89, early 90. And then there's a Turbo Z that Candy, at the time, my future wife, thought I was buying. She heard I bought a new Turbo Z. So that's the ones that were just ahead of their time back in 89, early 90 when they came out. And I wanted one, couldn't afford one, so I settled. And I say settled for this, but it's really not settling. So now I got both of them. It's fun. I enjoy it, love what I do. Glad I'm in the car business, because I'd be broke if I had to go out and buy these cars with, on a regular basis and source them from retail sources. But anyway, there it is, just a quick video for Sunday. Sergio, again, this is for you, so you can see your cars getting ready to leave. And wish I would have caught more of that Vette rolling off the trailer. So hopefully there's no issues with that car. It didn't bottom out or anything. And I'm gonna go out there and check on my Cadillac that's getting ready to come off the trailer. Let's go ahead and squid together and walk out there. It looks like I'm gonna say it's a 58, 9, or 60. I'll tell you in a second. So it's definitely a 58 or 59. Well, wait a minute, I can't tell. Let me see the back end. That car okay? No problem? That car didn't, that's okay, that car? Yeah. Yeah, so it's a 58 or 59. Oh wow, it looks like a pretty original unrestored car based on the paint. Still worth some money. I'd say that that's not the original color if I had to guess based on that light blue interior. Yeah, that sucker came rolling off the truck and I saw it rolling with nobody in it, so looks like it's okay. Oh, that needs to be restored. Which the interior doesn't look terrible. It's just the outside looks kind of crappy. Got a pretty solid interior actually. So I can't tell, let's see. I can't tell what color this car was. I doubt it was black, but maybe so. But there's my Caddy up top in front of a Viper. 74 with also miles in the 30s. White car with a non-vinyl hardtop, non-vinyl top. I'll show you more when it comes off, but there it is, guys. Check it out. Have a good day. Enjoy.